I'm rolling up confetti mashed potato flautas. That's right, mashed potato mixed with diced peppers, green onions, and 2 types of cheeses, then baked in tortillas with black beans, roasted pasilla peppers, and creamy avocado. Serve them with a tomatillo sauce, and it's impossible to eat just one. So some serrano peppers just went in with some onions and some red bell peppers that are sauteing down. Okay, over here on this back burner, let me get that set, I'm going to make a tomatillo salsa that's gonna go on top of the flautas. And let's see, some red bell pepper. There we go. And some green onion chopped up. And sitting in front here are some potatoes, and that's gonna be the whole mix that's gonna come together in just a second. But let me get these tomatillas, and then I'll puree them to make this great sauce. Remember, I started the potatoes off in cold water. Then I drained them, put them back in the pot, and I put them back in the pot because it kind of dries up some of the extra moisture. I think it makes them a little nice and makes them a little fluffier. Some jalapeno jack that I shredded. There we go. This is essentially like a mashed potato filling, but boy, talk about one with a lot of great flavor. Now let me get this cream cheese down in there on top of the warm potatoes. Okay. So that's in there. That cream cheese has that nice tang to it, along with the sour cream. Not too much of this. I don't want it to run outside of my flautas. There we go. Give that a little mix. Let me go ahead and get these peppers and onions in. There's some of that confetti. Caramelized up some of those onions. The corn, that can go in as well. Just drain some of that off. So we're putting everything in this. This could be just like a real flavorful Mexican mashed potato that's right next to this, but this is actually gonna go inside, and let me get some black beans. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm working my salsa right now. I've got a bunch of flautas to make, so I'm gonna mix this together, get out the tortilla, hit a little avocado in that, start laying them out on a sheet tray, pop them all in the oven. I got a lot of work to do. All right, a little bit of olive oil on top just to help these brown up a bit. Gonna pop them in the oven, 375 degrees, about 15 minutes. And look at this. Oh, man, on point. Did them in the oven, could have fried them, but did them in the oven, so it could be a little bit on the healthier side. Old Jimbo can use that. And then over here, a tomatillo salsa that I did with some peppers and onions. Cook that down right over the top, little spice on that. Excellent. And hit it with some cotija cheese, little green onion. And this is how my dad would like it. He wants a nice little variety here. Some red bell, and then just a touch of some cilantro on top of that. Oh, looks hot. Nobody's around. I'll take a little bite. I just want to check it and see that. Okay. Oh, hot. Oh, really hot.